Care for aquarium catfish. Aquarium catfish are popular in many fish lovers' aquariums because they eat all the filth and can get really very attractive and hyperactive as they move around the aquarium and grow to their full potential. Among the different breeds, the cory catfish has gained popularity and is a staple in most aquariums because they are affordable, low maintenance and easy to raise. Here are the steps in caring for your aquarium fish, whether it's a cory type or not. Water habitat. They like the neutral type of water best. You can let them live in the alkaline or slightly acidic types of water, but if you really want them to have the best amenities, you will choose to let them swim in the neutral waters more. Temperature. Catfish for aquariums like cold water, which makes it very viable for you to mix them with fishes that are friendly and able to survive in relatively cold waters. Feeding. They eat anything from flakes to fish pellets, which makes them a favorite of pragmatic fish owners. You can just leave them by themselves for the most part and they will feed on anything that can qualify as catfish food in the entire surrounding of the aquarium. Environment variety. Allow the catfish to have places to explore and roam frequently. Lighting. Aquarium catfish do not like the limelight that much. Make sure that you have places where they can hide from time to time. Dark places like behind rocks and generally low lighting conditions are most favorable for your catfish. Space issues. Catfish can really grow to large sizes, so make sure that you give them a lot of space. Avoid suffocation by spacing your aquarium pets accordingly. If you can afford it, set aside a separate space for your aquarium catfish. If you deprive your catfish of space, they become aggressive and feed on other small fishes. Compatibility. The good thing about aquarium catfishes is that they are not really that aggressive unless provoked by other fishes. Other than for defending themselves, catfishes are really friendly in the aquarium and can coexist with a lot of aquarium fish types. Breeding. Gravel is the best place for fry or catfish eggs to lay their sensitive forms before growing into fish. Just make sure that there is not too much gravel that will keep the weaker fry from emerging out of the gravel and growing into a catfish. You will know if it's high time to prepare for a breeding ground if you see your catfish exhibiting restlessness and that the two catfish are rubbing with each other. Nocturnal. Set your feeding schedules at night since these fishes are quite nocturnal in nature. It is best to mix them with fishes that also have the same body clock so that there will be no problems or issues whatsoever with activity levels. You can expand your network of catfish in your aquarium provided that you are able to breed them well and have enough containers to hold all the fry in.